I'm Anthony. This is my bike check. Top, I got ODI long neck grips with the Colony bearings. Go with Colony bars with front motor Colony stem with Colony Guardian forks and base 2. Fuck! With Colony rim lays to Colony hub on Colony spoke. It fit bike types. The Colony 2013 sweet tooth fork frame with fly bike forks, fly bike cranks, Colony peg, United Metro sprocket. We got backbone seat, regular chain, another Colony back wheel setup, both Colony rim and Colony hub on Primo back tire. Pretty much it. Yeah, she goes right. Here's some clips.